guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is editorial look number 4 and the last one of my editorial looks for the week. So as you can see, I've already got on. That's because I actually filmed this, because it's such a beautiful day, I actually took advantage and filmed this outside. So it is a talk over because there's too much going on, and obviously it's everyone's home, everyone's had barbecues in the gardens and stuff, so a lot of you can hear the neighbours and things like that enjoying the sunshine as well. So it is a talk over, which I do apologise, but I just thought it'd be quite fun, as it's quite a summery themed colour scheme to do it outside. But I thought I would quickly show you the makeup now inside, because I don't know how clear it is, because I couldn't sit in direct sunlight because obviously it was washed me out, and I had it a bit behind me. So I'm not necessarily the brightest or the clearest on screen, but I will try and figure that out through editing usually. But here is the look. So this is inspired by a look I saw on Pinterest, but also this is inspired by an Isabella Defree's look as well, because she had this beautiful model with this purple line going here and here like I've got, and then it was like a glossy eye. And then I saw this similar look on Pinterest, but with these kind of more orangey and goldy colours, so I thought I'd combine the two. So everything will be linked down below crediting wise and stuff like that. And then I gave you 2 lip options. So obviously there's orangey lip and you get a nude one as well. But yeah, I just thought I'd come in and show you the look clearly, just because possibly not the clearest when I'm outside, but I just thought I'd do something different. So I really hope you will enjoy this look, and yeah, if you're interested on getting this look, then please keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so as always, I'm going to go in my Hint Beauty concealer to act as my foundation as well as my concealer. I initially apply it with a brush just to get the coverage I wanted, and then I do go in with a beauty blender just to make sure it is thoroughly blended. And then I'm going with my 100% pure bamboo powder to set the entire skin for today's look. No surprise, I'm taking the Ether Beauty Pure Diamond Dust to give my skin a really good glow and wet finish, but because of the lighting you couldn't really see the full effect of it, but I've used it several times in my editorial look, so you know exactly how it looks on the skin. And then obviously going in my Lily Low Sculpt and Glow contour kit to give my skin a nice warmth. And then for blusher, I'm using my Rich Fee in Delirium. I am using it on a fluffy brush and just stamping on to prevent any disruption from the foundation underneath. And yeah, popping a nice blush onto the cheeks. And then I'm just going ahead and filling my brows like I usually do. And then I do go ahead and prep and prime my eyes with my Lily Low eye primer. Okay, so starting off with the Colourpop Creme Gel Liner in Punch. No, this is Puppy, sorry. And then I'm just going to create a line from the inner corner to halfway across. It's almost like you would do a cut crease or that 60s kind of liner, but only taking it half of the way across the eye. I'm not too worried about if it's neat or not, because I'm going to tidy up later. And then I also drag it along the lower lash line, and I also bring it out slightly from the kind of outer portion, almost like a wing, but I'm not winging it out, I'm just bringing it out straight from the lower lash line. And I also popped it into my waterline as well, just to tie it all together. Okay, then I'm going with my Silk Naturals Mineral Shadow in Tropical, which is the orange shimmery shade. And I just go over what I did with the gel liner to give it more of a shimmery finish, and just to slightly blend it out as well, especially the lower lash line. Okay, then I'm going to take the Lily Low Bronze Sparkle Mint Eyeshadow, although first of all I do go back in with a bit more primer just to make sure it's a real tacky base, but also to neaten up the liner portion, and then I go in with the bronze sparkle and I basically fill in the gaps in between. And I kind of keep it to the shape of like a graphic winged liner effect. I do apologise for the glare of the mirror with the sunlight. And then what I'm going to do is just take a fluffy brush and just slightly blend out the very outer portion where there's a where the bronze sparkle is, just to give a more softer finish on the outer portion. Taking my pure diamond dust again, just to highlight the inner corner, and also I use it to highlight my brow bone. And then just throwing on some mascara. This is the Kiko Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. And then, like I said, I give you two lip options. So I go in with my classic nude, which is the Benecos brown lip liner, topped with the Lily Lolo vegan lipstick in Au Natural. So this just makes it a little bit more wearable. Or if you wanted to vamp it up, I kind of did this combination before, so I just basically took the creme gel liner from Colourpop in Puppy, the orange, and mixed it with my Lily Lolo red lip liner to create more of an orange tone lip, and that's the second lip option. So I really do hope you enjoyed. I apologise for the quality of the lighting and stuff, but yeah, I sincerely hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.